Hello, this is Alana from ShipperHQ, and I'm here to show you how to offer simple local same-day delivery in minutes using ShipperHQ. So this feature is particularly useful if you have your own delivery truck or you use a local courier, and if you're able to get products to your customers the same day, obviously. And so the example that I'm going to show you is set up on a Shopify platform, though the outcome will be similar if you use BigCommerce, WooCommerce, or Magento Store. It's all going to work the same. So the first thing I did was I went to the Shopify App Store and I installed ShipperHQ. And ShipperHQ comes with a 30-day free trial, and that is regardless of your platform, no matter where you're installing that from. And then I was able to see my app installed in Shopify, and it will push me over to the ShipperHQ dashboard where I can continue to set up my ShipperHQ account. One of the first things it's going to ask me to do is set up my shipping origin. So a shipping origin is a location that you're going to be shipping goods from, or the single location that you will be couriering your same day deliveries from. So here we have an Austin, Texas warehouse, and I've gone ahead and entered in our Austin address here and saved that. And the next thing we'll do is we'll come over to the carriers section and add a new carrier. And the first carrier that we're going to add is going to be a custom carrier, because in ShipperHQ, any carrier that is not receiving live rates from a service such as UPS or FedEx is considered a custom carrier, and we're going to go ahead and define the rate ourselves. So once we choose custom carrier, we're going to select same day delivery. And this is the type of custom carrier we're going to create. The name that we give this will be the name that our customers see in the checkout. So we're just going to call this same day delivery. Same day. Okay, proceed. Okay, so we've now added a carrier for same day delivery, and the next thing we're going to do is go ahead and configure that carrier. So put in any settings that's going to make it unique. So this is our carrier title. I'm going to go ahead and make that carrier title just to be same day. And down here we have an attached origin. So this will be the origin that the same day carrier will be shipping from. And the next thing we're going to look at here is the shipping method name, which we're going to call local delivery. And we're able to show a flat rate shipping price for this local delivery. So in our case, let's say we're going to do $10 for local delivery. And we can apply this either per order or per item or per package. So in our case, we're just going to say it's going to be a $10 flat rate delivery for same day. And we are also able to create another carrier here if you want to call this next day delivery. So in our case right now, we're going to be just doing a same day delivery carrier, but if you'd like to set up a second carrier for next day delivery and give it different parameters, you can also do that as well. So for our purposes here, we're just going to keep it same day delivery. And then down here in the date and time settings, these are all of the settings where you can make important selections, such as when will the order be dispatched, how much advance notice or lead time you need to prepare the order for delivery, and days when you will not provide same-day delivery options. So of course, those would be called blackout days. So we're not going to provide same-day delivery on Saturday or Sundays. And we blacked out some delivery dates here. These are just like popular holidays in the US calendar. And so you can modify these, you can add to them, whatever you'd like to do. We're going to go ahead and set a cutoff time that this order will need to be placed by 4 p.m. In order for it to receive the same day delivery. And we're going to give ourselves a lead time of, let's say, 2 hours. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and save that. Okay, and we're going to check over here and make sure that we have enabled our carrier that we just created. And then as soon as we enable that, it becomes active on our platform. Because we've already have ShipperHQ installed in our Shopify platform, as soon as I enable this, it will become available in the checkout for my customers. So let's head on over to my Shopify store and go ahead and add something to my cart. And let's check out and see our same day delivery option. So here we've entered an address that is also in Austin, so it meets our local delivery. And here we see our same day local delivery, $10. And there it is in the cart. So again, if you do this per item, or if you have blackout days and that day is today, then this rate will not show. So you may want to set up alternate carriers or backup carriers in order for these to constantly show right in your cart, but this is just a quick demo showing you how to get same-day local delivery in your cart with a flat rate and be able to set blackout dates and times for that. All right, so if there's anything else that you have questions about regarding same-day delivery or anything else ShipperHQ can do, don't hesitate to reach out to us at shipperhq.com with any questions that you have. We're happy to help get you guys started. Thanks.